Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Rav, and as you can see, we're in the expressway right now because we have a very special event going to ano yun ulit? Manila Clock, guys, because like I said, I have a very special event, ASP event once again, guys. Kasi before nag-artismo kasi ako before sa mall, which is from SM Aura, yung art activity rin, pero this time art activity rin siya, pero related to Christmas, guys. So let's get it. So guys, as you can see, we are now here. Ano to, ma'am? Quirino, ano na to po? Quirino. So medyo palapit na, guys, ng onte. So guys, we are now here at the side of this city hall, or parang museum yata to, ma'am, eh. So we are trying to find an entrance around here. So we'll just have to wait once again after a few runs, guys, kasi matraffic ngayon, eh. So we'll get it once again. So guys, we are here inside the Manila Clock Tower. We're gonna register, guys. So, dito pa po ako.
Yan po. Ay, pangalan.
Right.
Pangalan niyo po ano? Ako, Josephine po. Josephine. Ito si Jessica. Ray, R-H-A.
Ay, tutuloy yung ink.
V. Ibag.
R-H-A-B-T. Letter T ito. L. Longboy. Tensya na. Baba ko muna sa bag ko. Age 26. Appearance naman this time. Ba, ikaw naman this time.
Dito kayo sa loob eh.
So guys, dito na tayo sa loob.
Para kung biglang needs kayo ng bata. Kasi wala na hindi na kailangan, kuya, hindi na kailangan cover. Diyan na lang, ano. Hindi naman kailangan cover. Dito lang may cover para maganda.
Okay guys, so we are about to start. Halos madami-dami na rin kami dito. Hello! Hi! Hey, say hi to the camera!
Hello!
Hi! Hello! Pwede dito.
Oo na ako. Kasi magdi-December. Sabihin niya kay Mami Kay. Maraming online.
Kulay ng Maynila sa Masayang Buhay Art Workshop. For our opening prayer, may we call on Mr. Raven Hatton.
Yay!
Ay, give space.
That's all.
Very happy and very pleased to have you as our guests. You see, these art therapies are initiated by the Manila Clock Tower together with our partner association as a community initiative. That being said, we are committed to always partner with the communities that
to move forward to another level. Today, the concept was originated by our head visual artist, Sir Nante, for giving us the concept of Christmas motif. Okay, so later he will explain. He will introduce his team. So let's welcome Sir Nante Caranda. Wala bang Filipino clapping for him? Pero excited lang. And I'd like to also say thank you to the presence of all the volunteers.
So mag-uumpisa na po tayo. So we have ito po yung pen paper na isang medium natin. Isa po ito, bali 1/4 po siya. So pwede niyo po siyang i-fold into 2. And pwede niyo po itong gamitin as ito na yung Christmas card. Ito na po yung ground nyo, ito na yung didimitan nyo. Ito na yung layo nyo. Or, pwede rin po itong Oslo na ipo-fold din po ninyo. So, nasa sa bata po kung ano yung mas gusto nyo gamitin. Feel free po to be creative. Nandito po lahat.
So guys, we are about to start making a Christmas card. Some others are green. All of us are green except for one right here. It's red. We're gonna start, guys.
Also,
Okay guys, so tapos na tayo
Good afternoon,
mag-art.
everyone.
Ito na yung
Once
next
again,
day.
welcome po sa Manila Clock Tower Museum. And we will be presenting the certificate of appreciation, which includes this Lungsod.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you once again for watching this video guys. It's a good moment here at this place guys. So make sure you subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day guys and good night.